classic homemade coleslaw recipe. Nothing beats the crunch and freshness of a classic homemade coleslaw. Whether you're planning a barbecue, whipping up a burger night, or preparing a light lunch, this versatile side dish is a game changer. Forget store-bought options. This homemade recipe is easy to make, deliciously creamy, and customizable. Here's how to create the ultimate coleslaw that will leave everyone asking for seconds. Ingredients you'll need. To get started, gather these fresh and simple ingredients. 1 small white cabbage, or 1/2 large. 4 carrots peeled. 1 large red onion. 1/2 small bunch of fresh herbs, dill, chives, parsley, or coriander, finely chopped. Optional. 1 tablespoon Dijon mustard. 50 g mayonnaise. 50 g yogurt, sour cream, or additional mayo can be substituted. 1 to 2 tablespoons white wine vinegar. A few pinches of paprika. Step-by-step instructions. Step 1. Prepare the cabbage. Begin by removing any bruised or damaged outer leaves from the cabbage. Have the cabbage through its stem and carefully cut out the dense core with a sharp knife. Place the cabbage cut side down on a chopping board and slice as finely as possible into thin shreds. If you prefer, use a mandoline or the shredding attachment on your food processor for even slices. Once done, transfer the shredded cabbage into a large bowl. Step 2. Shred the carrots and slice the onion. Grate the peeled carrots using a box grater or a julienne peeler. If you're working with a food processor, use the grater attachment for quick and uniform shreds. Add the shredded carrots to the bowl. Next, finely slice the red onion into thin rings or strips. The thinner, the better. Add the onion slices to the bowl. If you have fresh herbs on hand, chop them finely and toss them in as well for an extra burst of flavor. Step 3. Make the dressing. In a jug or small mixing bowl, whisk together the Dijon mustard, mayonnaise, yogurt or sour cream, and white wine vinegar. Season the dressing with salt and pepper to taste, and adjust the balance of sharpness and creaminess to your preference. If you like a tangier coleslaw, add a bit more vinegar. Step 4. Combine and serve. Pour the dressing over the prepared vegetables in the large bowl. Using a big spoon, mix thoroughly to ensure every shred of cabbage, carrot, and onion is coated in the creamy dressing. Sprinkle a few pinches of paprika on top for a subtle smokiness and a pop of color. Serve immediately for the freshest taste, or cover and chill for up to 3 days. Just give it a good stir before serving to redistribute the dressing. Why homemade coleslaw? Customizable flavors. Adjust the creaminess, tanginess, or even the herbs to match your taste. Freshness. Unlike store-bought options, homemade coleslaw is crisp, vibrant, and free of preservatives. Pairing power. This coleslaw complements everything from grilled meats to sandwiches, burgers, and salads. Tips for perfect coleslaw. Consistency is key. Slice your vegetables as uniformly as possible for the best texture and appearance. Don't overdress. Add the dressing a little at a time to avoid making the coleslaw too soggy. Experiment with add-ins. Try adding shredded apple, raisins, or even nuts for a unique twist. Conclusion. This classic homemade coleslaw recipe is a must-have for any meal. With its perfect blend of crunch, creaminess, and tang, it's sure to impress your family and guests alike. So why settle for the pre-packaged stuff when you can whip up this vibrant, fresh dish in no time? Get chopping, whisking, and mixing, and prepare to enjoy the best coleslaw you've ever had.